Combining two Pandas series with changing logic. I've two series of bool data that I'd like to combine to a new series object, but the combination logic depends from history, previous values. Series 1 contains mostly false, but single true values. Series 2 usually contains periods of true or false values. The probability of repeating values is quite high. In the resulting series I need periods of bool values that begin with a true section whenever both are true and end when the section in series 2 ends, i.e., no longer contains true. E.g. In row 2 the result switches to true and stays on, until the true phase in series 2 ends on row 5. This is what I have come up with so far. Even though my solution works, I have the impression I am thinking way too difficult to achieve this. Any suggestions?
First, we know for sure that result is always false when S2 is false, and always true when both S1 and S2 are true. That does not depend on previous values. Then we fill nars with forward fill. And in case there are some nars remaining at the beginning of the column, we replace them with false.